What's going on, everyone? We have some pretty big news out of GameStop. They just formed a partnership with Immutable X. Now let's go ahead and read the text. It says, GameStop today announced it has entered into a partnership with Immutable X's Pty Limited. Collectively with its affiliates, Immutable X, the partnership establishes up to $100 million in funds in Immutable X's IMX tokens, which the parties intend to use for grants to creators of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. Their content and technology. Immutable X will also become a Layer 2 partner and platform for GameStop and the company's NFT marketplace that is expected to launch later this year. In addition, the terms provide for Immutable X providing up to approximately $150 million in IMX tokens to GameStop upon this achievement of certain milestones. And then there's a super note 1. It says the number of IMX tokens scheduled to be granted to GameStop was based on the 7-day trailing average of the IMX USD closing price preceding the date of the partnership agreement that was executed by the parties. So, that's pretty big news. So, there you go. That's legit news from the company. So, you know this is real, and we'll have to see what happens. So, that's pretty cool. Immutable X, the first Layer 2 for NFTs on Ethereum, supposedly. Partnership with GameStop, that happened today.